Hello friends, namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sanjita, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, then please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. So friends, before starting up with the video, I just want to wish all of you, those who have showed the love, given the suggestions, motivated me throughout 2020 to do what I'm doing right now. I just want to wish you happy new year to each and everyone who is watching me, and let there be peace in 2021. Fingers crossed. I hope there will be peace in 2021. So with this wish, I just want to start up my video. So friends, today's video is one of the most requested video. So most of my subscribers, they have asked me that what are the eyeshadow palettes that you use to do your makeup. So if you are seeing my eye makeup right now, this eye makeup I have done with a very affordable eyeshadow palette. So today I'm going to show you my favorite eyeshadow palettes, which are super affordable and super pigmented. You can create any type of look, may it be bridal, may it be party makeup, may it be a nude makeup. Any type of makeup you can create with this eyeshadow palettes, that also in a very reasonable rate. Like every time I say you that not only products which are of high range are good. We have a myth that only products which are higher in price are good and pigmented, but I don't think so. There are many brands which serve you very well with very less budget as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So friends, I have these 8 eyeshadow palettes with me right now, and every eye makeup I do with these eyeshadow palettes, and they are super affordable. I'm going to show them one by one. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, I'm just going to show you my first eyeshadow palette, and I think this was my first eyeshadow palette since when I started doing my makeup. Like I started to do my makeup with this eyeshadow palette, and it is super affordable and super pigmented. I cannot talk about this pigmentation. It's a bomb pigmented one, and it is only for 230 rupees. Okay, and this is from Swiss Beauty. This is the ultimate eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty, and I have these 2 shades with me. Okay, so they are very pretty ones, and this is shade number 08, which have all these bright colors like pink. Let me show you. Pink is there, green is there, blue is there, green is there, purple is there. Every bright colors are there in this palette. So this is the Swiss Beauty ultimate eyeshadow palette, and the shade number is 08, and this one is another one, and this is 06. Okay, and this has all the warm colors like brown, peach and all. Black is also there. So you can go, if you're looking for a super affordable palette and a pigmented one, then you should surely try your hands on this Swiss Beauty ultimate eyeshadow palette, and you are not going to regret. If you look at my videos, you can see that I have used this eyeshadow palettes, and they are super bomb pigmented. So this was my favorite eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. Now my second favorite eyeshadow palette is from Wet n Wild, and I have made a separate video regarding this eyeshadow palette. If you want to check it out, I have left the link in the I button above. You can check it out, the swatches and the review of this eyeshadow palette. So Wet n Wild is also one of the affordable eyeshadow palettes, and it is also a very good one, pigmented one, and this is the shade named Comfort Zone. And at the back of the box, everything like where you should apply, which color, your transition color, what you should apply in your crease, everything is given over here, so it makes super easy. So this is also one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. So I'm very sorry, it is broken, and it has all the shimmery shades as well as it has light colors which you can use in your transition colors. So this is my second favorite palette from Wet n Wild, and it is in the shade Comfort Zone. You will get many shades in this palette, and this is for rupees 500 rupees. So yeah, you can always go for this eyeshadow palette as well. My second favorite from Wet n Wild. Now my third eyeshadow palette is from Hilary Rhoda. I think you have seen many YouTubers using this eyeshadow palette. It is only for 200 rupees, and if you like to try on with bright colors with affordable price, then you can go for this Hilary Rhoda palette. I won't say that this is super pigmented. Some of the colors like pink and this red are pigmented, but you have to work on with many colors with the setting spray and by applying water on your brush. So every color is not so pigmented, but if you want to try, or if you are a beginner and you want to try on with your graphic eye makeup, like nowadays it's in a trend, so you can just go with this Hilary Rhoda palette and it can help you out. It is only for 200 rupees. So this is my third one of my favorite palette when I want to create graphic eye makeup. So this I have this eye makeup which I have created. I have used this eyeshadow palette as well. So yeah, you can try your hands on this. This is Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette in the shade 02. And friends, this is my recent favorite eyeshadow palette, and this one is from the Fashion Factory, and this was sent to me by one of the Instagram store, and it is super pigmented. And the lady who have sent me this eyeshadow palette, she said me that you have to try this eyeshadow palette because it's super good. And yes, I am in love with this eyeshadow palette. You should try your hands on this eyeshadow palette one. It is super pigmented, and I think you have seen most of my makeup videos using this eyeshadow palette. It is super pigmented and it is so affordable. It is only for I think 250 rupees or 300 rupees. I'm very sorry if I go here and there with the price, and I'll show you the swatches once. I'm going to go very gentle with these two shades, and I'm just going to swatch it for you people, and you can see how pigmented it is. So this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette right now, and I highly recommend this product to you. And it is in the shade 02 nude, and it is from the Fashion Factory palette. And friends, another eyeshadow palette which I am in love with again is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It is a professional eyeshadow palette. I have made again a separate video regarding this eyeshadow palette. You can just check it out in the I button above. And it is from Revolution. It has a mirror inside, and you can just see the shades. The name of the shade is written everywhere, and it is also very pigmented. You get all the shimmery shades. You can create nude look with this one. Very lovely eyeshadow palette, super pigmented, and it is a neutral versus neutrals eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. It is on a bit higher end. It is for I think 1350 rupees. So yeah, you can just get your hands on this eyeshadow palette. Sometimes you'll get on a discount also. At that time, I think you should just grab this eyeshadow palette because you are not going to regret. So this is my another favorite eyeshadow palette, that is from Makeup Revolution, neutral versus neutrals. And friends, my another eyeshadow palette is from Beauty Glazed. If you are in the Instagram, you'll see this eyeshadow palette here and there in all the makeup stores. I think this was a sensational eyeshadow palette once, and you don't have to worry about the pigmentation from Beauty Glazed palette. You can see the colors, how beautiful the colors are. In my recent video, I think I don't think I have used this eyeshadow palette, and this is also a very good eyeshadow palette. This one comes for rupees, I think 1000 to 1200 rupees. It comes around that range only, and these are also super pigmented eyeshadow palettes, and you'll get this pressed glitters also over there. That means you don't have to use any glue. They are pressed glitters. You can directly apply it on your eyelid, and you can create sensational looks with this eyeshadow palette. So you can try your hands if you are looking for a one palette with variety of colors at an affordable range. Then you can go for this palette. This is the Beauty Glazed Reversal palette for 1000 to 1200. It is between that only, because different stores, they have different rates, so you can check it out in the Instagram stores. Okay, so yeah, and you can try your hands on this eyeshadow palettes as well, though it's not so travel friendly because it's a big one, but if you want to carry one eyeshadow palette and you want to do several looks, then you can certainly go with this eyeshadow palette, the Beauty Glaze Reversal palette. And friends, my last eyeshadow palette which I am in love with right now is the SFR Hate It With Love eyeshadow palette. And you don't know guys that I've waited 3 months for this eyeshadow palette in the Instagram store, because it used to be every time out of stock, and at last I got my hands on this eyeshadow palette, and it is super bomb palette and it has 63 colors, so you need not worry about any colors. Every colors are super pigmented. You'll get pressed glitters plus shimmery shades plus matte. Everything is in this eyeshadow palette. There are total 63 colors, so you can create any type of look, and you'll get a mirror also. And this palette I got for 700 rupees, and in every Instagram store, as I said you, that the price is going to vary from one store to another, so do check it out. I got it for 700 rupees. So this is my favorite eyeshadow palettes. So you can just if you want one eyeshadow palette which have every colors, then go for this eyeshadow palette. This is the Hate It With Love eyeshadow palette from SFR, and you're going to love it. So this was my last eyeshadow palette. And friends, if you want to know or if you want to know the swatches of this eyeshadow palette, please do comment in the comment section below. I will definitely make a single makeup tutorial for one of the eyeshadow palettes, whichever you like it. Okay, and if you have liked my today's video, please do give it a thumbs up. These were my eyeshadow palettes, or these are the eyeshadow palettes which I used to create my all eye makeup. So I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked my today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share your love, your comments in the comment section below. I will be eagerly waiting for that. So till next time, it's bye bye. Take care of yourself, love yourself, and stay beautiful. And one more time, happy new year to all of you. Bye bye.